From which PS? Vasisto.
Yes, and
Let the city come,
Lordship, he is not named in the affair.
maybe.
And Lordship, so far the allegation level,
Hmm.
section, my lord, 354
54
B,
A and B.
B is not attracted by. Because allegation against my lord, the tailor, I am the owner of the shop. And the informant, my lord, express her desire to file affidavit, my lord. I have narrated para 4 because she is very much saddened because of my arrest. No allegation against me. I have narrated under para 4 that it is pertinent to mention that the informant has expressed her willingness to file affidavit to bring the true fact. An allegation against the tailor who committed this offense, madam. Kindly have a look, Lordship, page 8. And nothing against me.
Oh, where is the forwarding report?
Forwarding report, my lord, we are page my lord, 15. The name accused, my lord, Shafiq Alam. While he was to refit her garment, and after the incident, his master tailor Rajimuddin suggested him to escape away from the spot, and he did accordingly, as this case. And nothing against me, my lord. I am the owner of the shop, and offense committed by the tailor, namely
Yes, madam.
Shafiq Alam. Shafiq Alam.
He's there, Lordship. He told to run away, his tailor, but
No, whether
allegation
this
is
section will attract against him.
that is there, Lordship, because he did only he helped his tailor who did the crime.
To take the
Short date we will bring the CD, Lordship.
allegation only said that when I tried the cloth on, he grabbed my books and more. He, allegation is against he,
Against the tailor.
Taylor. Clear case, my lord. Why I am being strict and bear the partner? This court has jurisdiction to his. And tomorrow, day after tomorrow, also, my lord, the informant may file affidavit. He is willing. He is willing to file. Therefore, I made party.
Or Lordship, let her file the affidavit, Lordship.
Therefore, I made
Let
party.
her file the affidavit, the informant.
Tomorrow or day after tomorrow, my lord. She is ready. My lord. And
Day after tomorrow is holiday.
Or on Monday, Lordship, then. Monday.
Monday. Okay, CD on Monday.
And notice go to respondent opposite party number 2.
Pardon?
Opposite party number 2, I made party informant, madam. I will take the step service upon OP number 2. Immediately to them, so that she may file affidavit on next date.
Also issue notice to the respondent number 2 by registered post and also by usual process returnable on
On
6th.
5th.
5th. The be taken by registered post and also by usual process and also through the officer in such jurisdiction. Yes. On that day, learned additional PPCL for this the case report scored.
I love it.
Item 4.
Madam, that in connection with that item number 1, Cardinal Singh's judgment, that constitutional based
Lordship.
judgment, you have to find it out.
Lordship.
And also the case of this Baldev Singh versus State of Punjab.
Lordship.
But I have remembered that in that case, Supreme Court has stated that compliance of 42 section has to be considered only at the time of trial, not at the
Not
time
at
of
the.
what the judgment you have to.
I-
Item 4. my lord, this is a politically motivated FIR of, my lord, 2020, my lord, FIR at page 12. Petitioner before your lordship was elected the Gaon Panchayat president, my lord. and,
Elected?
Page 11, my lord, translated part.
Yes.
The informant, my lord, was defeated in the hands of, my lord, petitioner in the last Panchayat election. Then, my lord, when in the, my lord, pandemic, my lord, coronavirus pandemic, some money, my lord, and rice was allotted. Some, my lord, undeserving candidates were included according to the informant, my lord, in the list. I have annexed this list also page 28 onwards, my lord. And even, my lord, before lodging this FIR itself, my lord, because there was, my lord, a restriction in, my lord, a human movement. Therefore, my lord, some, my lord, unscrupulous people were also entered in the list, my lord, page 36. And their names, my lord, were also deleted. This is before the FIR dated 19/5/2020. It was sent to the block development officer by the petitioner and countersigned by the secretary of the same GP. 17 numbers beneficiaries who are not eligible were entered wrongly, my lord, in the list, and their names were requested to be struck off, my lord, from the list. But he said, my lord, this is a, my lord, work of some, my lord, the people collectively work, my lord, for preparing this list.
Okay, you were
Why is
behind the
this
bar
private?
for how many days?
My lord, since 2018, my lord. And, my lord, if-
18 of this month.
yes,
Let the
Last-
city
last
come.
CD will be required, lordship.
CD on.
my lord, he
Sort that.
filed one pre-arrest bail, my lord. After filing this pre-arrest bail, my lord, he
Lordship,
was arrested.
13
Therefore, it was infractors, my lord, page 26, this bail was.
Let the city come if there is no
13
material.
to-
cabinet.
But, kindly shorter, I am praying shorter date because, my lord,
13 to-
2020 matter. my lord.
13 to receive.
Sort
13
that.
to 13
Sort
हातात क्या करत पण दिसत.
On 8, lordship.
8. 8.
8 to. Item 5. Mac people. My lord, in this case, my lord, a young boy, my lord, sub sailor, grocery items, my lord, and he is in jail. Earlier lordship declined to grant, my lord, as it is was earlier initial stage, my lord. Since 4/1/2024, my lord, he is engaging in.
This is second application.
Yes, my lord. Earlier order, my lord, page, my lord, 25, my lord.
So what is the ground for filing this second application?
My lord, I am praying, my lord, this considering the, my lord, period of detention, my lord. He is, my lord, from Qatar, Silchar, my lord, and he is in jail, my lord, at Guwahati, my lord. And he is admitting, my lord, by mistake, my lord, he, my lord, purchased materials from the driver. And driver told him, my lord, that these goods he is selling to the petitioner with the consent of the owner, my lord. Because originally where these goods to be delivered, my lord, this, my lord, wholesaler, my lord, did not receive, my lord, these goods, my lord. Thereafter, these goods went to the, my lord, Silchar, my lord, and from Silchar, my lord, these are goods originally from Guwahati, and Silchar, my lord, this petitioner, my lord, purchased partial, my lord, oil packets, my lord. And subsequently, my lord, he could not give the, my lord, the money in time, my lord, full payment, my lord. Therefore, after, my lord, almost 14 days, my lord, this FIR was lodged, my lord. My instruction is that, my lord, actually, this oil was, my lord, purchased by two persons, my lord. One from Patak Bazar, Silchar, my lord, and he is from, my lord, Ramnagar, like that, my lord. But when money was not given, my lord, in time, my lord, then FIR was lodged, my lord, after 14 days, my lord. Had, my lord,
No, this informant has sent the consignment to Lonka,
Lonka, my lord.
but
Consignment doesn't
Then
reach.
driver of the vehicle had taken it to Silsor.
Silchar, my lord. Silchar, my lord, and Silchar, my lord, he sold, my lord, in two person, my lord.
Mm,
including petitioner, one of them, my lord.
mm.
And subsequently, my lord, after 14 days, my lord, police,
So, Mr. Bormuya, we have perused the case diary and having found some material against you, we have dismissed your petition.
yes, sir.
So,
Covered.
we have dismissed the petition on 23rd, 1/24. So, today is 1st of February. What is the ground for filing this petition?
My lord, ground, my lord, considering the, my lord, period of detention, my lord,
What period of detention? After
Well,
perusal of the case diary,
my lord,
is there any change of circumstance in your favor?
my lord, in the meantime, my lord, substantial, my lord, materials also, my lord, recovered, my lord.
Hmm?
And my lord, in this case, my lord, two,
On what basis you are submitting that substantial materials have been recovered? So
Well,
only the CD will tell that what is the stage of investigation, whether any article has been recovered or not.
and another important aspect is that, my lord, here in this case, my lord, 60 days is, my lord,
Up to date CD, Lordship. Up to date CDs.
60 days, my lord, period of detention, my lord, and almost 1 month, my lord. Considering, my lord, he is admitting, my lord, he purchased, my lord, and recovered, my lord, whatever he found, my lord. And my lord, he is young.
No,
my lord.
entire consignment has not been recovered.
Yes, my lord, whatever he, my
That is
lord,
the
whatever-
so okay, up to date case ID on. What, madam, short date
9, Lordship.
9. Up to date case ID on 9.
Number 6,
obliging.
May I please the lordship? During pendency of this petition, your lordship, the petitioner have found one FIR, your lordship. And that I have filed an additional affidavit, your lordship, to bring that same on record. And says 24 is that FIR, your lordship. Initially, this petition was filed. Is 26, your lordship.
Additional affidavit in respect of what?
This
FIR.
from 2024, your lordship, it was filed.
Why it has been filed?
It has been filed, your lordship, for bringing into record of that said FIR, your lordship. Because in initial stage, your lordship, there was no FIR, and out of apprehension, this petition was filed. And during pendency of this petition, the petitioner got one FIR, your lordship, which has been registered against the present petitioner. And this
And that affair is
Yes.
placed on record by this
yes,
affidavit.
yes.
Where is that affidavit or no, this FIR?
24,
number?
Lordship. Page number 24.
In page number 24, herein the allegation is made that the informant took loan an amount of rupees 3 lakhs from the present petitioner. And as a surety, one blank check was given. And the money was returned, but the check was not given to the informant. And subsequently, with the help of the said check,
So case diary is available.
Case there is not there, Lordship.
In the
Case
last,
diary was not called for.
No, Lordship, earlier he was there whether case was filed or not.
Hmm.
Then there was no case, Lordship, earlier.
but the court,
So, why don't we return the check?
the sake, your lordship, in fact, your lordship, rupees 10 lakh was taken. That person, your lordship, the rupees 10 lakh was taken by that person, your lordship, from the petitioner. And subsequently, a check was given to the petitioner, and with the help of that, the petitioner filed a complaint petition under 138 of the NI Act, your lordship.
Hmm.
And page 29, your lordship, will see the court below has already taken cognizance of that case, your lordship. And thereafter, this affair has been lost.
Okay, heard me, sir.
Yeah, fine.
Learned counsel for the applicant and also heard Madam A. Begum, learned additional PP for the state respondent. The learned counsel for the applicant had filed additional affidavit and placed on record the FIR lost by one Hannan Ali Khan on 16/9/2023 against the present petitioners. Having heard the submission of learned advocates of both sides, perusal of the case diary is found to be necessary, and accordingly it is provided that learned additional PP shall produce the case diary before this court on when, madam?
22-2.
22/2. Short date.
16.
No, we are not extending any interim bail to him.
15.
No, next, next.
9, Lordship.
9.
If there is interim, your lordship, that may be extend, your lordship, because
Pardon?
there is interim order, your lordship, that may be,
So no courtship action will.
because in earlier occasion, your lordship, there was no case, and accordingly that order has been passed, your lordship. So I am praying, your lordship, let the petitioner may be directed to appear before the highway, your lordship.
Okay, till then, interim order dated 21/11/2023 shall continue. Subject to the following 3 conditions, a condition kita shall not leave the last condition, shall not leave the jurisdiction of CJM Amingao.
CD will be done, Lordship, 28th of February.
28.
20.
Okay.
Item
Problem.
7.
Please, 430 application lawsuits. Matter pertains to the Cattle Transportation Act lawsuit. There is two petitioner lawsuits. Petitioner number 1 lawsuit is the owner of the cattle lawsuits, and he has purchased the said cattle from the Bihara Hooghly cattle market. I have managed the cattle purchase receipt at place. The lawsuit will find at place 17 lawsuits.
So let the city come. Madam, short date
9-2, Lordship.
9th. From which PS?
The Morigaon lawsuits.
Moregaon.
Dhontul PS Morigaon.
Item 8.
I think it was a similar lawsuit, but his cattle was given Jimma by the Lanet court below after verifying the document lawsuit. And he has to pay the regular.
Here also we will peruse the case diary.
Positional lawsuit, Kamrup Metro.
See, same date, Lordship.
Short date.
So then Monday was it?
Monday. Nothing was 6, Lordship. 6.
6.
6-2.
Okay.
Item 10.
I would like that.
Yeah, I feel it, lordship.
Lordship, this is 438 bail application under section 379 34 IPC and Cattle Preservation Act. FIR is case 9, Your Lordship. I am the owner of the vehicle, Your Lordship. Lordship, kindly come to the page number 15, Your Lordship.
Head 3 lordship, CD 9 to lordship.
Page number?
15.
What is 15?
Lordship, may I read the?
Not necessary. You tell me what is this page
In
number
my order,
15?
Lord, on 13, 31,
Order in
10,
respect of?
2023.
10 numbers of cattle inside the car.
Yeah, let the city come.
9.
Night. Okay, night.
Of Lordship.
Lordship, the police are searching for me without registration of a case. Without, they have been harassing me, they have gone to my home, they have telephoned me, and I'm a patient of heart stroke. I was renovascular hypertension, Lordship. So they have been searching for me. On 17, on 27, the policeman has visited my house also without any register. We have searched the appropriate places. We could not find any cases. That on the behest of my business partner, earlier business Ankur Arnab Ankur Garg, that police telephoned me, Lordship.
So, madam, you have obtained instruction whether any case is pending against the present
Lordship, it's
applicant in the
tomorrow,
Kotasil police station.
Tomorrow.
Not tomorrow, today, the second half, 2 o'clock.
Deeply obliged.
Lordship, kindly pass over the matter for the timing.
Why?
Senior is on leg.
Pardon?
Senior is on leg on port number 5.
Where?
Port number 5.
Item 13.
Okay.
Mr. Hassan, you were for respondent.
So number 2, Lordship.
Respondent number 2. But where is the petitioner? Who appeared on the other day?
M. Khan.
Mr.
AP
Khan.
Das.
Okay, after some time,
Okay.
if he is available, kindly inform me.
Okay.
For bail hearing, item 14,
May I please?
14.
49 application, my lord.
These 2 persons, they were present. And Caesar has been made.
So, since the total quantity is 12.0,
0.5
gram.
gram, 0.5.
0.5.
Heroin, Lordship. And 142.8 gram, that is nitrozepam. Nitrozepam tablet.
Acha.
Let the matter be fixed after 10 days, Lordship. We'll
After?
try to, after 10 days, we'll try to collect the FSL report, Lordship.
Porwa, you see, he is behind the bar for 42 days.
My lord.
Investigation is completed. Only it is pending for collection of this FSL report.
The question
You
is that,
file FSL report, they will face trial.
question is that they are peddlers.
Pardon?
They are peddlers.
No, not possible. They are,
Peddlers.
they are consumer, Lordship.
Although 37 will not come against them, Lordship, but they will start again this thing.
Lordship, they are consumer.
37 will not come, but they will
But
start again.
only because of that reason, we are not in a position to keep them behind the bar for longer period. Heard, Mr. What is your name?
Yeah, Mohsin, Lordship.
Learned counsel for the accused, and also heard Mr. Arjay Barua, learned additional PP for the state respondent. This application under section 439 CPC is preferred by 2 accused, namely Mirazul Ali alias Mirazul Haq and Rajkumar Ali, who are languishing in jail hazard in connection with Gitanagar PS case number 337 of 2023 under section 21B, 22B NDPS Act since 22/12/2023. The aforementioned case has been registered on the basis of one FIR lodged by one Deepjyoti Chaudhary, SIO Police, Gitanagar PS on 22/12/2023. The essence of allegation made in the FIR dated so and so is that acting on a tip of the informant and other police staff conducted search in the house of conducted search in the house number 17 belonging to one Ranjit Kalita situated at Onil Nagar area. And found accused Mirazul Ali, Rajkumar Ali, and Shankar Das inside the house and recovered 9 numbers of vials containing suspected heroin and 280 pieces of nitrazepam tablet IP 10 mg and 2 numbers of used syringes and 2 numbers of empty soap case and aluminum foil and sting bottle mixed with nitrazepam tablet and case rupees 7,000 and mobile phones. The learned counsel for the applicant submits the accused person submits that the accused persons were arrested on 22/12/2023 and since then they are languishing in jail hazard for last 42 days. Borua Day appears to be consumer, not peddler.
My lord, Lordship may kindly bear with the Caesar days, Lordship. That is, my lord, in the case diary, my lord. My lord, suspected heroin, then Lordship, nitrazepam tablet, which went so 2 numbers of used syringes, then my lord, soap, empty soap box, then my lord,
So all those articles are used for consuming.
soap box also, why they are contained?
No, they have consumed it. Consume it.
They are consumer, Lordship.
Follow last line to.
The learned counsel for the learned counsel for the accused persons submits that the accused persons were arrested on 22/12/23 and since then they are languishing in jail hazard for last 42 days.
Further, the learned counsel for the accused submits that the quantity of contraband substances allegedly recovered from the possession of the accused persons are intermediate quantity and as such the embargo under section 37 of the NDPS Act will not come into play. and that the accused are ready to face trial and they will appear before the court below regularly and therefore it is contended to allow the petition. On the other hand, Mr. Borwa, learned additional DP, has opposed the petition on the ground that the accused, no, on the ground that as per the materials collected in the case that they are peddlers of drugs. And once they are released from jail, they will again start the same business and therefore it is contended to dismiss the petition. But having heard the submission of learned advocates of both sides, I have carefully gone through the petition and the documents placed on record and also perused the case diary with the assistance of Mr. Borua, learned additional PP. The case diary indicates that the total quantity of suspected heroin allegedly recovered from the possession of the accused are of 12.05 grams. And 280 pieces of natrazepam tablets weighing 142.8 grams. And indisputably aforementioned quantity of contraband substances are of intermediate quantity and as such the embargo under section 37 of the NDPS Act would not come into play. They are languishing in jail as of for last 42 days and the case diary indicates that material part of investigation is over and the case is pending for collection of this FSL report only. In that view of the matter, further custodial detention of the accused person seems to be not warranted here in this case, and therefore it is provided that on furnishing a bond of rupees 50,000 each with one security of like amount to the satisfaction of the learned special judge NDPS Act, Kamrup M. Guwahati, the accused persons being enlarged on bail. Case diary will be written.
Item 48.
That is your lordship. Here, as I submitted on the last occasion, today is the 373 days in custody. Already trial has commenced and almost all the witness has been examined, lordship. The IO and the MO could not be examined because there was no forensic. Now forensic has come, report has come and the report is negative, lordship. If I can kindly share with your lordship this report. It is here. And he was arrested on the same day.
So how many witnesses have been examined till date? All the witnesses,
5 witnesses, lordship.
5 witnesses.
5 witnesses.
How many witnesses cited in the search sheet?
7 witnesses. Another 2 is left. That is the MO and the IO. And he was, the very day he was arrested, lordship will kindly see, that day itself the medical has been done. And very interestingly, there is 2 GD entry number.
Mr. Bhattacharya, this forensic laboratory report will not help you. Going by the definition of the offense.
That's true, but the report is negative, lordship.
That's all right.
In that case, lordship, let the IO and the MO's evidence be complete. We'll come back again. Let it be complete, lordship. Okay. 6th, it is fixed on 6th itself. 6th of February itself.
6th February.
Let it be complete then, lordship.
Okay, as agreed by learned advocates of both sides, I'll list the matter on sorted.
After
6th of date to
6th
6th
on
of
6th only.
no, when the next date is fixed before the court below.
6th February.
6th February. So we'll fix after 6.
After.
13.
10. Okay, in the meantime, registry shall call for up-to-date status report from the court below. Mr.
Respondent number 2, SK Sarkar.
SK,
Sarkar.
Mr. SK Sarkar, learned counsel for the respondent number 2 present.
49,
Highly obliged.
May I please your lordship, protracted application lordship. Earlier,
And we have not received the case there.
order was passed, lordship, that he was not received, lordship, the matter will be disposed of. Here, the two petitioner, lordship, they are diverse.
So for how many days you were behind the bar?
The petition number 1, he is behind the bar for more than 33 days, lordship.
33 days.
33 days. And petition number 2, lordship, is almost 1 month, lordship. Page 10 and 11, lordship, the providing.
Petitioner number 1 is 33 days.
33 days.
Or and then petitioner number 2 is
2 is one, is 1 lordship. Today is 1 lordship, 31 to 2 days, lordship, 32 days.
32 days.
32.
33 days and 32 days. And who are they?
Then the driver and helper, lordship. Petition number 1, driver, lordship, vehicle.
Who is driver?
Page 10, lordships. Forwarding itself mentioned that, lordships.
Who is driver?
Idris Ali, petition number 1, lordships.
What is the forwarding report?
Page 10, lordships. Last paragraph, lordships, particulars of arrested accused person, Idris Ali, driver of the said container factors.
And the next forwarding report?
Next forwarding note, page 11, lordships.
No, 11 is Zakir Hussain
11 is Zakir Hussain.
and Idris Ali.
Idris Ali, page 10, lordships.
We heard Mr. T. Sutia, learned counsel for the accused, and also heard Mr. Arzeburo, learned additional PP for the state respondent. This petition under section 439 CPC is preferred by 2 accused, namely Idris Ali and Zakir Hussain, who are languishing in jail as in connection with Bosisto PS case number 842 of 2023 under section 379 411 34 IPC, read with section 13(1) of Assam Cattle Preservation Act, read with section 11(1)(d) of Prevention of Cruelty to Animal Act. Mr. Sutia, learned counsel for the accused, submits that. No. It is to be noted here that above noted case has been registered on the basis of one FIR lodged by ASI Bipul Chandra Deka of Zorabat Outpost on 28/12/2023. The essence of allegation made in the FIR dated so and so is that on the intervening night of 28/12/2023 at about 4:30 AM, he has apprehended one vehicle bearing number NL01K intercepted. One vehicle bearing number NL01K 7143. And during checking of the vehicle, he found 26 numbers of live cattle being carried in the same without any document. And he apprehended the driver of the vehicle, namely Idris Ali, and the helper, Zakir Hussain. Mr. Sutia, learned counsel for the accused, submits that Accused number 1, Idris Ali is the driver of the vehicle and he is languishing in jail Hazot for last 33 days. And accused number 2, Zakir Hussain is the helper of the vehicle and he is behind the bar for 32 days. And that the aforementioned cattle were purchased from Rajmai Weekly Animal Market under Sibsagar Zilla Parishad and enclose the relevant documents of purchasing the cattle as Annexer 3 series. Three series or 2 series?
3 series lordships. Annexure 3, page 18 on house lordship.
But somewhere you have mentioned it as Annexer 2, somewhere it is Annexer 3. What is this?
Yeah, that is one mistake. But it is 3 lordships. I'll correct it lordships. Annexure 3 series lordships.
Always casual.
Sure.
It is to be noted here that the learned additional PP was directed to produce the case before this court. By order dated 18/1/2024, but the learned additional PP has failed to produce the case before this court on 29/1/2024, for which another date was granted, another chance was granted to the learned additional PP to produce the case before this court on today. But the learned additional PP has failed to produce the case before this court today also. And accordingly, in view of the order dated 29/1/2024, this court is inclined to dispose of this bail application without perusing the case diary on the basis of materials placed on record. It appears that the accused are languishing in jail Hazot since 28/12/2023 and Two 1/2023. Further, it appears that accused number 1, Idris Saleh, is the driver of the vehicle, and accused number 2, Zakir Hussain, is the helper of the vehicle. It also appears from the documents placed on record that Annexer 3 series that they have that the owner, who is the owner of the cattle?
Abdul Rahman lordships. Abdul Rahman.
That one Abdul Rahman has purchased the seized cattle from Rajmai Weekly Animal Market under Sibsagar Zilla Parishad. But having considered above and also considering the submission of learned advocates of both the parties, and also considering the nature and gravity of the offense and balancing the same with the period of detention, this court is inclined to allow this petition. It is provided that on furnishing a bond of rupees 50,000 each with one series of like amount to the satisfaction of the learned CJM Kamrup and both the accused be enlarged on this.
Item number 17.
How like?
Major lordship.
My lord, this is a wildlife matter, my lord. But offense report today not issued, my lord. My lord, kindly, my lord, our names may be shown in the list.
Pardon?
Special people wildlife may be shown in the constitution. These are interim.
Mr. Soma, you see, this case was filed on 18/5/2023.
Well, a short date may be given, my lord, on next date, my lord. Next week, my lord,
Case diary is not available today.
not available, my lord.
A fishing matter that lordship has earlier dealt.
Okay, on the pair of Mr. B. Sharma, learned additional PP, last opportunity is afforded to the
Fishing matter.
to him to produce the case diary before this court. List the matter on 9. Races shall reflect the name of special PP wildlife
Wildlife.
in the cause list.
My lord, kindly on 12, my lord, 12.
12.
12.
Okay, till then interim order pass earlier shall continue.
Obliged.
Item 18.
Matter may be for the time being at 2 p.m.
Item 20.
Twenty searches submitted.
Search it.
I'm an interim my lord.
Search it number
168/2023, dated 31/10/2023.
under section.
9, 10, 11 of the minor Saint Mary's Act and 6 and 17 of POCSO. It's a Saint Mary's case.
I'm the father of the bride, my. Ellen bride.
Against the present applicant,
My lord, yes, my lord.
Ramzan Ali.
Get my.
Okay, heard Mr. S.M. Abdullah P, learned counsel for the accused, and also heard Mr. B. Arja Barua, learned additional PP for the escaped respondent. This application under section 438 services prepared by accused Ramzan Ali, who has been apprehending arrest in connection with Manikpur PS case number 183 of 2023 under section 7, 10, 11 of Prohibition of Child Marriage Act, related with section 6, 7, POCSO Act, related with section 376 IPC. This to be noted there that above noted case has been registered on the basis of one FIR lost by one